Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to import your Schoology calendar into your Google account. Now, you're first going to need a Google Calendar account, so go ahead and log on. If you don't have an account yet, I have a separate video to show you how to use Google Calendar. Now, if you have Google Classroom, you can actually automatically turn on your Google Classroom calendar in your Google Calendar function. But I'm going to import my Schoology class calendar here too. So once you log onto Google Classroom, go ahead and log on to Schoology. On the top right, you're going to see the calendar icon. When you click on it, I realize, oh look, I have no homework. That's not true. When you click on the numbers 5 out of 31 calendars, it's showing you that I have 31 existing classes, but I only have 5 calendars that I'm viewing. So what you can see here is I went to the calendars feature up here on the top left, and I turned on the 3 specific calendars I have, and I changed the color to indicate a different color for every course that I am paying attention to. I highly suggest that you turn on all the calendars that pertain to the classes that you're currently taking. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down and click on Export. When you click on Export, you can click on Share Calendar, and you can right-click the link and copy link address, or you can highlight the link and click Control-C to copy if you're on a Windows computer. If you're on an Apple computer, the shortcut to copy is Command-C. And go back to your Google Calendar account, scroll all the way down on the left side. Once you get to the plus sign, you're going to click on Add Other Calendars and Add from URL, and go ahead and paste the URL that you copied in. You can paste the URL by right-clicking and going to Paste, or Control-V or Command-V to paste. And once you're done, you're able to see all your class assignments and due dates on your phone or on the app or on the website in which you view Google Calendar. I hope you have a much better year organizing your life. Time is precious. Hang in there.